which used to stand for Math and Physics Divisional Resources. Of course, Math and Physics is no longer Math and Physics. Now we're Mathematics, Engineering, Technologies, and Computer Science. All right? This, the course outlines were an outgrowth of the SLOAT committee, and those outlines are over here. So if you click on these things over here, let's say, take an example like biology and chemistry, it's going to open up my Dropbox. Now, if you're not a member of Dropbox, it's going to ask you to join Dropbox. All right? You don't have to join Dropbox. Just simply say no, thank you. But let's say you're interested in the biology outline, Biology 101. Now, your screen's going to look a little different than mine. I'm logged into Dropbox, so I have more options. But typically, what people want is they want access to the file. So your little three dots over here, more, click on that. And what you would do is you would download that. And that would download to your computer. Now, some of the issues people have when they download a file, they say, I don't even know where it is. Well, typically, if you look at your web browser, there'd be some link, and you'd be able to locate that. I'm going to do that now. And it's right over here. All right? So it's on your computer when you download it. Okay? Now, granted, there's a lot of files over here. If you notice, a lot of them say 2010, 2012. They're pretty much outdated. Again, SLOAT was disbanded, and there's really no one maintaining these anymore. But at least there's some archival records of what's there. All right? I want to just go up. Let's see. Not upload. I don't want to do that. I want to go backwards. Oh, no, yeah, that's what I'll go backwards. Back to this over here. Let me just go to the math course outlines. There'll be a listing of those as well. And by the way, what I do is I also save the ones that are outdated. Now, granted, math, say 2017, 2019, a little bit more updated. All right? Archive, double-click on that, and you'd see an archive listing of some older files there if you need them. All right? So let me close that out. And that's about the course outlines. Again, they're there. They may not be the most current ones. If you're from a division, though, and you feel that you have a more current course outline, and you want to share that with me, I'll be more than happy to post it here. Not a problem. I have no trouble with that. Just have to let me know that. All right. The other one to point out is for faculty members interested in having their resources published here. That's fine. For example, Alvin Williams. I have a link to his Dropbox, and you see his files over here, the ones he's sharing with his students anyway. Professor Stafford, he's also shared his Dropbox with me, and again, probably files he's sharing with his students. Mine, and again, you can, if you're in the math, engineering, technology, computer sciences. By the way, any other division that wants their links up here as well, I'll be more than happy to update this website with those links, by the way. Just tell me your department and the URL. For example, mine, it's not a link to my Dropbox, but it's a link to resources that I have, all right? So, for example, I have guides up for the courses that I teach. I also have guides up to supplemental activities for our students. For example, computer algebra systems, yada, yada, yada. And, a lot of things up there, too, like learning sites. But again, you decide what you want to put up there, including the course outlines. All right, let me go back to the divisional resources. Again, the divisional resources are basically course outlines, and for faculty members that want to share a website with me, I'll put that up there as well. Again, thank you so much for paying attention, though.